But Langong is not a quiet museum. It is a living, breathing center of faith. Hundreds of people come daily to pray for peace, ask for guidance, using fortune stick, xin xăm, and pay respect to the men who protected their ancestors. This devotion is expressed most clearly during the Khai Hạ Cầu An ceremony on the 7th day of Lunar New Year. It embodies the certain spirit of ăn quả nhớ kẻ trồng cây. Gratitude is the sign of noble souls. Langong is Saigon's connection to its roots in Gia Định. Amidst the non-stop rush of Bà Chiểu Market and the roar of modern city, the sense of incense from his tomb reminds Saigon who it is and where it came from. To understand why Saigon is generous, pragmatic, and grateful, perhaps one only needs to stand here in the silence between the sound of the market and the whisper of history. Saigon's heart is still breathing.